here with the Bugs 5, and here it is. Now I already calibrated the compass, and all you have to do is spin it around twice clockwise, tip it on its side, and spin it around a couple more times. It's the same as the Bugs 2. So let me look at the map here, which is nothing but a grid. Okay, I'm not, oh, okay, it's here he's showing us over here. Don't show you a satellite view of the map, but I already did the calibration, and the level calibration, you just go down and to the left. I got 12 satellites. We're going to record a little bit of video. Start that, and then we'll unlock the motors. And take off. We'll just let it sit there for a couple of minutes to see how it acts. The GPS is locked in pretty good. It's not toilet bowling or anything like that. Let me see at that camera. Okay, that camera tips up pretty good. Let me check that out. Okay, how far does that? Okay, that points down pretty straight, actually. It's pretty quiet too. It's not loud at all. Checked out the yaw speed. It's about like the Bugs 2, to be honest with you. It's about the same. Yeah, it's about the same speed as the Bugs 2. Yes, I would say it. That's about it. Punch out speed's pretty good. It's about the same as the Bugs 2 also. I'm just tipping the camera around a little bit, guys, so you can see. It was like 50 meters up. Yeah, it flies pretty much like the Bugs 2. There's not a whole lot of difference in them. I don't want to go out. There's a kid out there, so I'm going to come back this way a little bit. First flight, my lucky to drop out of the sky and fall on the kid's head. Right? Plus, I don't have my FAA number on there either, so. So this thing basically flies just like the Bugs 2. So if that's what you were thinking, that's what it does. The only thing we can hope for is that the camera's better. Okay, if the camera's better, because that Bugs 2, that camera was absolutely awful. Absolutely terrible. I'll put the flight time in. I might as well try to run the whole battery down. Now, I did arm it in the house and flew it in the house for a couple minutes. It's real stable in the house, you know. Even without the GPS, it's real stable, so. All right, let's try a little follow me action. Because this has a couple of features on there that the Bugs 2 does not have. So let's try and try those out. Well, I don't see it doing anything. I don't see it following me, so we'll just go back here. I hit the button, is that yes or no, and I hit yes, and it did nothing, so let's try that again. I hit it the first time, but it didn't work. It's actually working pretty good. It's right behind me, I can hear it. So yeah, follow me works great. Okay, so I killed that, but it works good. I'm in the sun, I gotta get back in the shade or I'll boil. God, it was so damn hot today. Well, the video's been recording for 7 minutes, so at least we know that it'll fly for 7 minutes, right? We'll bring it back down here. I just wanted to take it up there again. One of those point of interest deals. We'll see how that works out. I'll get out here into the middle of the field and see if that does. I don't know what it's going to consider the point of interest to be. Maybe it's going to be me. Okay, it's going to circle clockwise around the present point, so I'm going to press no because I want to get it around here a little further out here into the open. Okay, let's try it now. Yep. Seems to be working. I am going to stop that and I am going to try to I'm getting some kind of beeping going on here. I don't know if it's a low battery. It might be a low battery warning. Yep, I think that's what it is, even though it says I still have half the battery left on the thing, so. I hear ya. Okay, so video record time is 11 minutes and 25 seconds. So, we'll just land it. I hear you. Yep, 50% battery. It's doing the return to home deal, so I'm going to turn that off because it beeping annoys the hell out of me. Well, this was just the first cycle of the battery. Battery's a little bit warm, but it's hot as hell out here. Motors are not warm at all. Not warm at all, the motors, so that's a good sign to me. Yeah. I checked all 4 of them, they're fine. Yeah, it flew good, guys. It's nice, it flies nice. It just flies just like the Bugs 2. Okay, there's no difference hardly in the way it handles and the way it flies. It flies almost identical. The yaw speed and the punch out speed and all that stuff, it's pretty much the Bugs 2. You know, I'm sure this battery, I'll bring it out for some more flights. We get it charged and stuff a few more times, it should increase the flight time a little bit. Usually the first flight with the battery, you're not going to get the same amount of flight time. So yeah, it's all good. Yeah, I didn't get to check the return to home is what actually was what I was going to do next, and I was going to try another point of interest on it, but you know, no big deal. I'll get it the next time. All right, boys, have a nice day.